Welcome to the 101 episode of Lalitha Sahasranam Stotra. The only ultimate cosmic energy source in this universe that can provide unconditional nourishment to the atomic form of life, to astronomical form of life, that is to the planets and to the microorganisms, both alike. That is the essence of Lalitha Divya Rahasya Sahasranam Stotra. Let us move on. Next nama is Govinda rupini. This is a very significant nama. Through this nama, the commencement of Jupiter, the revolution of the Jupiter happens. Through Gop3 we have seen that cows were originated on planet Earth. Through Govinda Rupini, the commencement of the planet Jupiter is getting activated. The revolution of the Jupiter is happening. Cows operate in a witness mode. Their karmachana is mainly to improve the wheel of Dharma Chakra. So the benefactor, since they operate in witness mode, the benefactor of fruit of karmacharana of cow is Govinda Rupini. So let us try to analyze this further. The cow's spine is parallel to the ground, and we have already discussed in Gop3 that they are the ambassadors of Parvati, and they are beyond north, south, east, west cycle, because they are in witness mode. So hence they are in Graha Yogam. So they have the ability to go to the astronomical scale, to the planetary positions with their waves, with the waves of their sankalpa. So after the termination of the Mars world, all the planets were standstill. That was the effect of the Jupiter storm that happened. Subsequently, Earth was separated from lunar planet, and Mars and the moon, stars, Earth was formed. Now the origin of cows on planet Earth happened through Gop3, and the waves of cows, that is the Sankalpa Vikalpa waves of cows, in the form of compression and rarefaction effects, are able to reach all the way to the Jupiter, triggering the revolution of the Jupiter. This is what happened with Govinda Rupini. And hence the magnetic waves of the Jupiter are penetrating into the universe again. The Jupiter effect now manifesting on planet Earth through Govinda Rupini, through the origin of the cow. So, are there any more evidences for this? There are. It seems there are. The letter Ga in Govinda Rupini or in Gop3 represents the magnetic force and hence the force of the Guru, as was discussed in the alphabets. So therefore, through Govinda Rupini, the magnetic lines of force from North Pole to the South Pole initiated on Earth, and the cow is the reason for this. The North Pole and South Pole effects, they were briefly discussed in Jagarini. The real activation and the functional form of the North Pole and South Poles happen in Govinda Rupini. And are there more evidences apart from this? There are. The Jupiter effects are hidden ingredients of the grass blade. Now the cow grazing grass, and through the breathing cycle of the cow, the waves of the cows reaches all the way to the Jupiter, triggering the revolution of the Jupiter. Now there is a custom and or practice in our culture that during the eclipse time, the grass blade, a particular form of a glass blade, is kept on the food items to evade the negative effect or negative energy effect. So grass blade is having a lot of power, and it is beyond Maya, and Maya is associated with Mars. So the cows grazing the grass are able to shatter the Maya effect and reach to Mars, and then propel its revolution. Not only this, in Valmiki's Ramayana, Sita uses the same grass blade in front of Ravana while she was in Lanka. This is to illustrate the fact that to drive a point to Ravana that he is succumbed to Maya effect, and it is time that he overcome this Maya effect. That means the Mars effect is Ravana was totally submerged in Mars effect, that is Maya effect, and at that time the Mars so the Mars planet was not completely functional. So the grass blade, because of the hidden ingredient of Jupiter effects, so it has the ability to shatter the Maya, and that's the reason why cows are grazing on the grass. So through Govinda Rupini, there is a significant milestone that happened after the Big Bang event, and after the formation of the Earth. The Jupiter started its revolution. So this is a significant step. So through this Nama, this sloka is completed. Srushtikartri Brahmarupa Goptri Govinda Rupini. This is again 4 namas in one sloka. This is the third occasion, perhaps third or fourth occasion, that after the formation of the Earth, this is the second, the third instance after the formation of the Earth. All the faculties are functional. So through Sustikar 3, the faculty of personality, and through Brahmarupa, faculty of intellect, through Gop 3, faculty of discretion, and through Govinda Rupini, faculty of mind, are being trained. So remaining namas we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.